That's the 1 mile start.
Shannon, and I'm from Sterling Heights. I'm 14, and during the race today, I felt really relaxed, and I thought I really liked the race, but I was kind of bummed that I couldn't catch the first place man because I really wanted to do that. But I had a really nice race today, I thought, and it was really fun.
My name is Daniel Lamontagne. I am 12 years old. I go to St. Clair Middle School, and I felt good the whole race, and I kept pushing myself.
Is this your first Roseville Big Bird?
Yeah, this is my first Roseville Big Bird run.
May Kozlowski, Macomb, Michigan. 40 years old.
From Roseville, initially.
Oh, initially hometown Roseville. This is my first race. It's my first race ever. And my husband is a avid runner, and I started running like 3 months ago. I'm training for the Turkey Trot in Detroit, and he figured just to sign me up for a 1 mile run. And I didn't think I was gonna win, but I ran as hard as I could.